In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Household for Prime. Amazon Household, also called Amazon Family, is the official way to share select Prime benefits with the people you live with, while each person keeps their own login, order history, and personalized settings. It links separate Amazon accounts so you can enjoy shared perks without mixing up purchases or recommendations. Here's who can be part of a single household. You can include up to 6 people total, up to 2 adults, each with their own Amazon account, up to 4 teens, and up to 4 children, which are child profiles rather than full accounts. Everyone must live at the same address to share Prime benefits under current rules, so make sure your household reflects your real home. Now, what can you actually share? One Prime member can extend many benefits at no extra cost. That includes free Prime delivery, access to Prime video streaming, Prime reading for books and magazines, Amazon Photos for storage and sharing, early access to certain deals, and eligible digital content such as ebooks, apps, and games through the family library. Availability of some perks can vary by region, and services like Amazon Music may not be included in every location. Let's set it up on a desktop browser. First, sign in to Amazon. Hover over Accounts and Lists and click your account. Look for Amazon Household or Amazon Family, then select Manage Your Household. From here, choose whether you're adding an adult, a teen, or a child. For adults and teens, enter their email address to send an invitation. They'll need to accept the invite to join and start sharing. For children, create a child profile right there. A quick tip: ask invited adults or teens to check their inbox and spam folder for the invite, and remind them to complete the acceptance steps so sharing activates. After setup, each adult keeps their own login and manages their personal settings. Order histories and recommendations stay separate, preserving privacy. Teens can shop and stream within limits you set, including purchase approvals if you choose to require them. Children use restricted profiles with parental controls managed through Amazon Kids dashboards, which helps you guide what they can access. You can also choose which eligible digital items to share in your family library settings. Before we wrap up, keep these rules in mind. All members must live together at the same address to share Prime benefits. A household can have a maximum of 2 adults. If you remove an adult, you may need to wait before adding a different one. Teens and children have limited or controlled access, and children can't shop. Follow these guidelines, and you'll share Prime smoothly and securely.